Okay, electrical panel. We've located our electrical panel. We have a green circle with an E on it, depicting where it is on your property. I've already installed the signage in the front with the double-face stick tape. Now let's open this guy up and find out what's going in here. I've also already peeled the off sticker from your sticker page. And that shows clearly, you want to shut off all the electricity in your house, you push that way. Now, if it's not absolutely critical, if you don't have smoke or coming out of your house, it's recommended to turn all of these breakers off this direction towards the off. Is how you shut this bank off. Where it says off here, shut them off that way, this way, and then the main. But it's okay to shut the main off. I've done it 100 times over the years being a contractor, and everything came out just fine. Now, I do want to mention one thing, and that is about 1 in, 1,000 homes still have screw-in fuses. I highly doubt that you do, but we're going to throw this in anyway because we want to make sure that if you buy one of our kits, you're prepared. So the other signage right here shows what a screw-in fuse panel looks like. And if that is the case in your home, probably a good idea to think about maybe upgrading to a newer panel. But it shows you where the pull lever is to shut the electricity off, and it shows you how to screw and unscrew the fuses later on after the emergency has subsided. I think we got you covered here on the electricity. We sure hope so. Be a home saver.